What's going on, guys? Thank you for joining me once again in another unboxing video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Miguel. I go by Ebay Resells here on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing an order I placed through Polo, Ralph Lauren, online. This purchase was actually made during the time that they had the extra 30% off. If you're currently not set up with Polo Connect, guys, I would advise you to do it because they also let you know when the Polo website or the Ralph Lauren website has sales going on. Also, if you're currently not subscribed to the channel, guys, feel free to subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and see what we ended up picking up. Honestly, I forgot everything that I bought on here just because it's been a minute. This has been sitting in my closet, guys, and I haven't had time to actually record the video. But here's what we ended up picking up. Very first item that I see here, this is an Oxford shirt. I'll be showing the prices that I paid on here, guys, but they ripped the original sticker price here. If you're familiar with Ralph Lauren, a lot of these long sleeve Oxford shirts, they are pretty pricey. They're usually about 110 bucks regular price, but we did not pay that. If you're new to the channel, guys, I never pay retail for just about anything, especially when it comes to Ralph Lauren or any other name brands, primarily Ralph Lauren, because Ralph Lauren is my favorite brand, and I try to show you guys all the deals that you guys can get from this great brand for very cheap. All right, so you're gonna be looking like $1,000,000 bucks, but you did not spend $1,000,000 bucks on this. So this is the Oxford shirt. This is like a coral color, and because this is a classic fit, I actually had to size down to a size small. But guys, typically, even at the factory outlet store, Oxford shirts go for about $110 to $115. You're lucky if you could get it for half price of that. But you're gonna be surprised what I ended up paying for this one. It was on sale for 60 bucks, and then I also was able to apply the 30% additional sale promo code that they had going on online. So after that, this shirt, I actually was able to get it for $42 online, which is crazy. All right, the next item is this rugby, also on a crazy sale, guys. Look at the retail price. This rugby shirt was marked down to 80 bucks online. After the 30%, guys, this came down to $56. You're lucky to find a rugby shirt brand new, especially through Ralph Lauren, the website, for that great discount. Even at the outlets, guys, it's hard to find them for this price, so cheap. So sometimes you'll be able to look out online. You just have to be on top of it because they do run out fast. All right, so the next item, guys, is actually gonna be one of these knit sweaters. This one kind of reminds me of the American flag sweater, but instead of that, it actually has Polo and Ralph Lauren's signature on here, knitted in there. I really need to start stepping up my knit sweater game, and this is gonna be the start. This one's originally $148. This one was marked down from $148 to $69.99, 70 bucks. After the 30% promotional discount, this came down to 49 bucks, guys. It was pretty much about $100 off. Next item, guys. I believe this is a 6 pair of socks. There's the original price. Although Ralph Lauren is my favorite brand, guys, I would never pay retail for any of their socks. Their socks are typically priced ridiculously, but I was able to get these with a very good discount. These were listed on sale for $20. After the 30%, it came down to 14 bucks. Similar to the price that I ended up finding these at Ross or Marshall's, but it's hard to find this style, right? I believe this comes with a P-wing here. That's primarily the main reason that I got this pair. All right, guys, we actually have 2 items left, so I'm gonna just go ahead and take them out the box, okay? So the first top item here, guys, a pair of low top shoes, corduroy. Very nice pair of shoes, guys. I'm actually getting back into the Polo shoes. It seems like Polo has been improving their shoe game, guys, and I'm gonna be copping a lot more of their shoes. I believe these shoes retail for over 85 bucks. They were on sale for $50. And then on top of that, after the 30% discount, guys, I was able to cop these for 35 bucks. Look at that. And you know, because it's Ralph Lauren, their corduroy game is on point, man. I just hope that they're really comfortable, because in the past I would buy flat Polo shoes and they weren't that comfortable. So hopefully these are more comfortable. But once again, guys, I was able to cop these for 35 bucks. Let me know if this is a steal or not. All right, guys, and the last item is gonna be another pair of shoes. As you guys can see, I believe these are the Trackster 200s. These usually retail for over 130, I believe 138. So they were on sale for 90 bucks. So after the 30% promotional coupon, I was able to pick these up for 63 bucks. So that's a super steal. This is the cheapest that I was able to find them, because even at the outlets, guys, they're still over 100 bucks. So you're lucky if you can get a really good discount to get these lower than what I was able to find online. What I like about these, guys, is it has some camo on here, but these are supposed to be some sporty shoes. And you can see the camo there, and then the soles. Very nice material, very nice quality. It does have suede and some canvas. So I'm really impressed with this build quality, guys. I'm telling you, Polo is really stepping up their shoe game. It's really expanding all the models that they had. In the past, when I did buy their stuff, it was primarily like their boat shoes, their Rangers, some boots, and then on top of that, they also had those low tops. But I wasn't really impressed with the low tops, and I stopped buying them. But once again, I'm getting back into it, and I'm gonna be doing a lot more of the shoe unboxing videos, guys. So if you want to start seeing what type of shoes that Polo has, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You guys will be seeing a lot more of those. What do you guys think about these shoes, guys? Let me know in the comments down below. Do you think Polo is going to be stepping up their game even further? They have a really nice collection online, but their prices online right now are pretty crazy. Those shoes are retailing close to 200 bucks. And once again, if you're new to the channel, guys, I don't do that. I don't buy retail price. So thank you for watching the video, guys. This was my last shopping spree for the online sale that they had going on, and I'm hoping that they have another discount going on their sales online, because they have a bunch of cool stuff online. Also, let me know if you guys want to start seeing some videos dedicated specifically to their website sales, because they have a lot of cool items actually right now that I'm hoping they have that 30% or that 40% discount promotional code on their winter items. They have a lot of heat on there right now. I did forget to mention that this whole haul was a total of $279. Let me know how I did. All right, guys. Thank you once again, guys, for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.